Mount Sinai Million Health Discoveries Program aims to enroll 1 million Mount Sinai patients to better understand how genes influence our health. By looking at a large and diverse group of patients, we will be able to understand how to treat different diseases in patients of all races, ages, and genders. With your help, we can increase representation in research and potentially improve care for millions of people. To participate, you must be a patient in the Mount Sinai Health System or a legally authorized representative of a patient in the Mount Sinai Health System. If you choose to participate, you will need to review and sign this consent and answer 3 questions. If you would like to add more data to the research, you can choose to have additional questionnaires sent to you up to 6 times a year. We will need to collect a blood sample from leftover blood taken during your routine clinical care. Usually, this leftover blood gets thrown away, but we are asking your permission to keep it. If leftover samples are not available, we can collect a blood sample when you are having blood taken for clinical use. We will then link your sample to the data from your Mount Sinai medical record through a code, so your identity is protected. Your blood sample and data from your medical record will help us understand how genes are associated with different illnesses. We already know that certain genes are associated with diseases like breast cancer and kidney disease, and we're hoping to find more associations with this research. If you choose, we may be able to return genetic results that are of medical importance. Otherwise, we will not return your genetic results to you, and they will not go into your medical record. The data we collect will be used in future research studies by qualified researchers from places such as Mount Sinai, other universities, hospitals, health-related companies, or research institutes around the world to help advance medicine. We will not give your name or identifying information to researchers outside the study team. All data collected will be stored securely to ensure your privacy is protected, although there is always a small risk of loss of private information. Your participation is voluntary, and you can leave the study at any time. Your participation in this study will have no effect on your medical care at Mount Sinai. By joining the Mount Sinai Million Health Discoveries Program, you will be able to contribute to our understanding of how genes influence our health. With your help, we can move medicine forward and work to figure out how to prevent and treat diseases in the future.